Hello, I'm going to show you how to play Xbox Cloud Gaming on Android TV. First of all, check requirements. Android TV device running Android 5.0 plus Google TV, Nvidia Shield, Chromecast with Google TV, etc. A Bluetooth or wired controller, Xbox, PlayStation or compatible third-party controller, Xbox Game Pass and Ultimate subscription required for cloud gaming, stable internet connection, 10 megabytes per second, plus recommended. Install a browser that works for Android TV. The official Xbox Cloud gaming app is not yet available for Android TV, so use your browser. Open the Google Play Store on your Android TV. Install TV Bro, Google Chrome, Sideload, or Microsoft Edge Sideload. Connect your controller, go to Settings, go to Remotes and Accessories, pair a Bluetooth controller or plug in a USB one. Access Xbox Cloud Gaming website. Open the browser you installed, go to xbox.com/play, log in with your Microsoft account that has Game Pass Ultimate, enable full screen mode. Most browsers have a full screen toggle or hide UI mode for better immersion. Start playing, choose a game from the Xbox Cloud Gaming library, press A on your controller to start. Enjoy playing directly on your Android TV without a console.